Most people would have painted this brick. That's usually the move. It's fast, it looks clean, and it solves the problem, but once you do it, you're locked in. So before we touched anything, we had to decide if painting it actually made sense. There are several masonry paints that you can use, and we've painted brick before, but we wanted to try something different on this project. There wasn't anything structurally wrong here. The brick was solid. The issue was just the visuals. It was dark, heavy, and it kind of just took over the exterior. We ended up going with Avorio White Lime Wash by Romabio, and at $72 a gallon, it's a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it. So we already painted the exterior. We were waiting on the whitewash to come in. The boss doesn't want to paint it with latex or anything like that, so we picked up this Romabio Classico Lime Wash, and it's Avorio White. And so we're lime washing the brick. We already started here. The guys are finishing prepping all around, but this is what the finish is going to look like. So you can still kind of see a little bit of the color of the brick, but it's not that bright red that's going to stick out at you. So first you got to clean the brick. Then we taped off everything. We didn't want to get messy because it's really messy. A lot of splatters. It's real watery. And then we went ahead and got all the brick wet that we're going to work on. You have to get it wet before you start working on it. And then you just apply it with a masonry brush like this one. And then we're also using small brushes to kind of get in the little cracks and stuff like that. And then once it starts to dry, like down here, you can start wiping it with just a rag to wherever you want. You can take as much off as you want. You can also dilute this if you really want it like to look white. We wanted it to look whiter, so we didn't put as much water, but you can add more water to it to make it less. And then you can take off as much as you want with this. You can do like specific bricks, or you can just take a little bit off of all of it. So we've done a fireplace with it before, pretty easy to work with. This is a lot bigger, so we're doing the whole house. The sun came out and it's drying too fast, so we're gonna go on the backside and start there with the shade. All right, so the list of things you need for this project's not too long. Basically a masonry brush, prep material, and plastic, a bucket, and water. According to Romabio, vinegar to clean up, but we didn't use any of that. Now the dilution depends on what you want to see. You mix water and dilute the mixture, which is kind of like a clay substance. The best way is to mix different ratios and try a few small areas like we did. The more of the brick you want to see, the more water you should add. Once you decide, we prepped everything by masking off anything we didn't want to get dirty, like gutters, windows, and new paint. We used a drop cloth on any of the concrete areas. Alright, and then we started painting. This was pretty simple. Just grab a brush and a bucket and start painting. We worked from the top down to the bottom. And we did it in the shade. You don't want it to be too hot when you do this because the brick absorbs it. So we watered down this brick here before we started. We just sprayed it down with the hose, and then we started spreading with the masonry brush. And the more people you have, probably the faster it goes and the easier it is. We picked lime wash because it works different. It absorbs into the brick instead of coating it, and it lets the surface breathe. And we used Romabio because it's mineral based and made for this kind of application specifically. Alright, so this is our first pass. And in the video here, it's not in chronological order. We were doing each piece of brick. We would paint it, and then we would come back and do the distress part of it because it was a little bit warm outside, so it was drying pretty fast. So here we're putting our first application, just using the brushes. We've got one masonry brush and then a couple of regular paint brushes for the little cracks in between. And it's just getting the mixture inside of the cracks and getting everything coated. Yeah, so you need a lot of patience for this, especially if you got a lot of thick brick grout lines. But once it dries, everything settles down. The color starts to soften up, and you can start seeing the brick through it. And this is where we started taking off some of the lime wash to just give it a different texture. You can see right here, some of it still looks kind of wet and glossy, and some of it's already starting to dry. I'm just using a rag here. There's another method that you can use a water hose to distress this, but we just picked the rag. We didn't want to take too much off. We really wanted the house to look white, and this detail you kind of only see when you get a little bit closer to the house. You can kind of see the distress here. Alright, and so like I said, we were doing sections of the house, so we would paint this entire brick area, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes while it started to dry, and then start to distress it with just regular painter rags. This is the front here.
Almost done, big dog. Hey, at least there won't be anybody home when we get home.
Really? Not even the girls?
No.
Where are they, moms? Oh.
Take off as much as you want to take off. Leave as much as you want to leave on. You can also mix it lighter.
Alright, this little snippet right here is from Romabio's website. You can see how they're washing it off with the hose, and you can do that. That's just not how we did it. We did it with the rags, but here is the final results. We did all the brick. We ended up painting some of the house a different color after, just because of we just wanted it to stand out, but the brick looks great. You can see a little bit of the distress all over it, but it still looks like a white farmhouse look. Alright, and there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like and that subscribe.